Today I'll be trying out this gorgeous unit from YWigs. I have been searching for a unit that's literally zero leave out, and guys, I think I found the one. This unit's texture is in Brazilian kinky curly. It is a 5x5 lace closure wig in 18 inches and 180% density. This unit also has pre-cut bangs, which is what I was really looking forward to in this unit. For the cap construction, we have one comb on each side, one at the back, and we also have a removable strap, which you guys know I love. I always find those removable bands so handy because you literally have the choice whether you want to wear it or not. The first thing I'm going to do with this unit is cut off the lace, and of course this unit is in 5x5 closure. To cut the lace, I'm going to use these zigzag scissors that I bought online on Amazon. They create a really nice natural zigzag pattern that gives the lace a natural appearance. So I brushed all of the hair back to make sure that none of it gets cut away by accident, and these scissors basically do all the work for you. All I have to do is cut straight across. As for my own hair, my hair's braided straight back in dookie braids. There's currently a heat wave in the UK, so I've been looking for a unit I can literally just throw on and be happy with. And the texture of this hair is so unique. It says Brazilian kinky curly, but to me, this hair texture replicates type 4 hair perfectly. And it is so hard to find hair that matches type 4 and looks natural, but you'll see in a minute that this is it, sis. So first of all, I'm going in with a spray bottle filled with lukewarm water, and I'm making sure that the hair is entirely drenched. From root to tip, I want the hair to be completely soaked. Then I'm going to go in with Mixed Chicks to help detangle the hair. This is going to define a curl and make the curl really pop. I'm also using a tangle teaser which has the perfect bristles for this type of hair. It literally just glides through and really helps to set the curl. Once this hair is all wet, I was completely shocked at how much shrinkage there is. Like, this was coiled up all the way to the top of the unit, and now look how much length we have. I had no idea that all that hair was hiding in the unit. Sometimes when I think 4C hair, especially from a wig, I'm always thinking, is it gonna detangle nicely? But this detangled perfectly. As you can see, the brush is literally gliding through the hair, and I had to put zero work in defining these curls. The brush, the water, and the conditioner did all the work for me, and this texture is behaving very well. If you don't have this specific leave-in conditioner, it's completely fine. This hair is so good that I think any conditioner will work well with it, even if you just to use plain old water, and that is saying a lot. Altogether, it took me about 10 minutes to style the entire head, and that's from detangling up until now. I almost forgot that I had bangs on this unit as well, and that's the part that I was excited for the most. So I treated the bangs exactly the same as I did the rest of the hair, sprayed a little bit of water and put up some conditioner, and used a tangle teaser to set the curl. And guys, you can't tell me that this doesn't look realistic. It's gorgeous when the hair is wet. Now, because I was going straight out after this, I decided to use a blow dryer, but you could just go ahead and let this air dry. I used it on high heat and high intensity, and I used the diffuser to help keep the curl in the hair. The last thing that I wanted was for this unit to go completely frizzy on me. It took about 10 minutes for the hair to completely dry, which is a shocker. This hair is so thick that I thought I was going to be here for ages, but that wasn't the case. And the next thing that I did was go in with a wide tooth comb and fluff up those roots. If you are a regular on my channel, you know how much I am obsessed with big fluffy hair. I just can't stand it when it's flat to the head and there's just no volume whatsoever. And this is the finished look, guys. This unit is perfect for summer. I have no leave out whatsoever. You can even part it at the side because it is a 5x5 closure wig. You could even do a middle part. The styling options are almost endless. All the information on this unit will be down in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.